Welcome to our video on how AI is changing the way we fight climate change. As the planet faces unprecedented environmental challenges, artificial intelligence is emerging as a powerful ally in our efforts to combat climate change. From improving weather predictions to optimizing renewable energy sources, AI is transforming the way we understand and address this global crisis. Join us as we explore the innovative ways AI is enhancing climate research, fostering sustainable practices, and supporting international collaboration to build a greener future. 1. Predicting weather patterns more accurately. One of the most significant contributions of AI is in predicting weather patterns with enhanced accuracy. Traditional models often struggle to predict sudden weather changes, but AI algorithms can analyze vast datasets in real time. For instance, AI systems can track atmospheric conditions and predict hurricanes or tornadoes days in advance. This isn't just about knowing when to grab an umbrella, it's about saving lives and minimizing damage. By offering better predictions, communities can prepare more effectively, reducing the impact of extreme weather events. 2. Optimizing renewable energy sources. Renewable energy is a cornerstone in the fight against climate change, and AI plays a pivotal role in optimizing its use. AI algorithms can predict energy demand and supply fluctuations, making it easier to integrate solar and wind energy into the grid. For example, AI can forecast when the sun will shine most brightly or when wind speeds will peak, allowing operators to harness energy more efficiently. This means less wastage and a more reliable energy supply, which is essential for reducing reliance on fossil fuels. 3. Enhancing energy efficiency. AI is also transforming how we use energy by making systems and devices more efficient. Smart grids, powered by AI, adjust energy distribution based on real-time demand. Moreover, AI-driven systems in homes and businesses can learn consumption patterns and suggest ways to reduce energy usage. Consider a smart thermostat that adjusts heating and cooling based on occupancy and weather forecasts, resulting in significant energy savings. Such advancements are crucial for reducing our carbon footprint on a global scale. 4. Monitoring deforestation and land use changes. Forests act as the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Unfortunately, deforestation is a significant contributor to climate change. AI helps monitor land use changes by analyzing satellite images to detect illegal logging activities. With AI's ability to process images faster than humans, authorities can take quicker action to protect forests. This proactive approach not only conserves biodiversity but also ensures that forests continue to play their critical role in carbon sequestration. 5. Advancing climate research. Climate science has always been data-intensive, and AI is a game-changer in processing and analyzing this data. Researchers can use AI to sift through historical climate records and model future scenarios. This helps scientists understand potential outcomes and the effectiveness of various intervention strategies. Moreover, AI can identify patterns and correlations that might be missed by human researchers, providing new insights into climate dynamics. Such advancements are invaluable for crafting informed policies and strategies. 6. Developing sustainable agriculture practices. Agriculture is both a victim and a contributor to climate change. AI is helping farmers adapt by developing sustainable practices that minimize environmental impact. For instance, AI can analyze soil conditions and recommend optimal planting times and crop varieties. It can also monitor plant health and predict pest infestations, allowing for targeted interventions. By using AI, farmers can increase yields while reducing the need for chemical inputs, leading to more sustainable food production. 7. Reducing carbon emissions in transportation. The transportation sector is a significant source of carbon emissions, but AI is helping to change that. AI systems are optimizing routes for delivery trucks, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Additionally, AI is integral to the development of autonomous electric vehicles, which promise cleaner and more efficient transportation solutions. Public transit systems are also benefiting from AI, with smarter scheduling and routing that reduces idle time and energy consumption. These innovations are crucial for transitioning to a low-carbon transportation network. 8. Fostering global collaboration. AI isn't just a tool, it's a bridge that connects global efforts in the fight against climate change. AI platforms facilitate international collaboration by sharing data and insights across borders. This global perspective is essential, as climate change knows no boundaries. By pooling resources and knowledge, countries can develop more effective strategies and technologies. AI-driven platforms make it easier to coordinate actions and track progress, ensuring that global initiatives are cohesive and impactful. In summary, artificial intelligence is proving to be an invaluable ally in the fight against climate change. From predicting weather patterns to enhancing energy efficiency, AI is transforming our approach to this pressing issue. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make real-time decisions is empowering us to take more informed and effective actions. As we continue to harness the power of AI, the future of our planet looks a little brighter.